and welcome to the VAA Cooking in History Show. I'm Vanessa.
And I'm Angeline.
And today we're making one Latin American dish
and one European dish.
So the first one that we're doing is
tacos. So first we're going to take these taco shells and we're going to place them on a baking sheet.
Since today we're only making about 2 tacos. 1 and número 2. Okay, so now we're going to put the taco shells into the oven for 6 to 7 minutes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit.
Ignore the turkey.
There's a turkey in there. So.
Next, we're going to smash the beef, which is our key ingredient from Europe. And did you know that cows can smell from over 6 miles away? Then we're going to put the beef in the hot skillet. And then
We're going to put in a bag of that taco stuff. Oh, there it is. Let's get brown sugar.
there we go. That's a lot.
So now we're going to put in 2/3 cup of water in there. After this, we are going to stir it in. Now we are going to drain the liquid from the beef. Okay, see how it's nice and brown? It should have been like sizzled, on the grill for about 3 to 4 minutes.
And it smells really good. So now I'm going to start dicing the tomatoes for our tacos.
Now we are going to wash the lettuce. Okay, and then come over to the cutting board. And then just rip a couple of pieces off that we want to use. Not much, and that's good. And then
So now we're going to assemble our tacos.
So, 2 shells.
We're going to take one.
And
And
then
first we're going to
scoop beef onto there.
Beef, yay.
Okay. And then you can put
And then we'll
any
add,
kind of
I like lettuce
you want on, not for vegetable you want on it.
and some tomatoes.
Now I'm not the biggest fan of tomatoes, so I'm just gonna put on the lettuce. And then to top it all off,
We're
some
going to
cheese.
add some cheese and some salsa.
Yes. Okay. We got a beautiful little tacos over there.
Can you put some on mine because my hands are all gross.
Okay. Put some cheese, sprinkle it on there. Some cheese.
And then we're going to add some salsa.
A little bit of salsa.
I have a spoon here.
A little bit of salsa. Okay. So let's move this in here. And just scoop it up. And put it in.
And then I'll show you guys a zoom in of our final product. There it is.
Nice little tacos.
Looks good. Ta-da!
Okay. Now, let's eat our tacos!
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah.
Welcome back to VAA Cooking in History. Right now, we're going to do our European dish, which is hot chocolate! Woo! So it starts off by putting in salt, sugar,
and cocoa powder.
okay? Now you need to put in just a pinch of salt, 1/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 3/4 a cup of white sugar. And we're going to put it into this pot.
So in here we have 1/3 cup of just plain boiling water.
Okay, so now
in
we're
a
going
separate
to
pot,
add in
while
in
the
a
water's
different pot.
boiling, I'm going to add 1/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder.
And did you know that cocoa powder, well, the word chocolate originates from the Aztec word Zocolatl, which actually means bitter water.
So dumping it in.
Okay, and then 3/4 a cup of sugar. So here's 1/2. Half of a cup. And then here's 1/4 cup. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to add in a small little pinch of salt.
Which may sound weird, but it's actually going to help.
Okay,
The hot
it sounds like
chocolate.
there's a lot of salt coming out, but there's really not much salt in here, so okay. So now,
Just going to stir that.
so we're going to stir that together. And then we're going to add in the boiling water over here. So it's all stirred in. So now we're going to pour in the boiling water, which there's not much into here.
Which is our unsweetened cocoa powder, sugar, and salt mixture. So now we're stirring the cocoa powder, salt, sugar, and water together.
And we're going to let this, I guess, simmer for about 2 minutes, and then we are going to add in the milk.
Now we're going to add in 3.5 cups of milk to our boiling mixture.
So now we're going to let it just stay and stir until it's almost boiling, but not boiling, because you don't want it to burn. Now that our mixture is hot, but not boiling, we're going to add in the vanilla extract. So only 3/4 of a teaspoon. Okay.
So it's finished heating.
Okay. And we add in the vanilla extract. Now we are going to separate it into, well, it's supposed to be 4 cups, but since it's only us two, we're going to save the rest for later. So we're just going to ladle it in.
So now that she poured the hot cocoa in, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of 1/2 cream to each
Okay.
one.
So these are our cups. So
And then you'll stir.
okay. Here.
Remember. And they seem a little dark, but
It's just how they
yeah.
are.
Because it's old-fashioned. So this is what our finished.
Oh, can't really see it, so we're just gonna. So this is our finished hot cocoa. Okay, so now we're gonna drink it. Ready? And you can add lots of things like whipped cream, marshmallows. You know.
That is good.
Excuse us while we go drown ourselves in hot chocolate.
Bye.
Chocolate, brought from the New World to the Old World.
Sugar, brought from the Old World to the New World, but it's from Asia.
Milk, brought from the Old World to the New World from cows.
Tomatoes, brought from the New World to the Old World.
Beef, brought from the Old World to the New World.
Cheese, brought from the Old World, from cows, to the New World.
And corn, taco shells, brought from the New World to the Old World.
Thanks for watching VAA's Cooking in History. Bye.